Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin, back with the apple pie filling. Okay, we're going to get 3 big apples. You're going to slice them into pieces about that thick. Not too bad. Let me get this one done. It shouldn't take me long. And when you're peeling your apples and that, if you sprinkle some lemon juice on them, they'll stop them from turning brown while you're still making more apples. You know what I mean? Cutting your apples up. And I got this handy dandy little thing to take the core out of the apple. It does a great job. Okay, to this you're going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm just going to use cinnamon because I don't have nutmeg. Sprinkle that on. Push your stuff up so you don't knock it over, because you know how it is. I will knock it over. I'm sure you will too. I don't have a spoon here. Hold on a second. And just mix it together. And you need 1/3 of a cup of flour. This is for thickening. Just sprinkle it on top. Mix that in. It turns out so good. You're gonna love it. But I use 3 big size apples. They're about that big. My apple trees didn't have too many apples this year. I don't know why. But it's a casualty. I had to buy some. But that's okay. Now I'm going to go get my crust. Throw this in the crust. Even out as good as you can. Don't get it too close to the top of the rim of your crust, or yeah, your crust, the bottom crust. And that's what it should look like. Next, we got to roll out the top crust. So some flour on the table. And I did put a little bit more water in the crust, and it seemed so much better. I think if it was warmer in here, it'd make the crust a little bit less crumbly. It's pretty crumbly, unfortunate for me. I'm trying to demonstrate. It's not working out correctly. Ain't that the way it's supposed to be? Yep, sure is. It don't have to be perfect, people. It's only going to go on your pie. You're going to eat it. Nobody cares. We're not no expertise on this stuff. You know, we're going to try to get it on the pie without breaking it too much. Probably won't work. Fold it. It fell all apart, people. Ain't the way it's supposed to be. Oh well, it's ugly pie. It's ugly, but it's edible. You won't have to make no vents on the top. It's really ugly. I need some water. Oh, why is it this way? It is a really ugly pie crust. Ugly. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe it's the weather. We're supposed to get a storm. Possibility. But I'm going to eat it anyway. Oh, it don't got to be perfect. It'll get decent. Alright, and then see how ugly it is? One ugly pie. And I'm going to get some more sugar. And I sprinkle that over the top of the pie. This makes it pretty. Well, not this one because it's ugly. Then, let me put you up. Hold on a second. If it's going to let me work you. Alright. You're going to bake it at 425 for 40 to 50 minutes until the crust turns brown. Now, if it browns too much, if you made pie crust the right way and you got pre-crust around the outside, you can put tinfoil on it, or they got the pie crust savers. That helps a lot. So, I'm sorry it's ugly pie. Ugly pie crust. It's going to still taste great. You know what I mean? So, I hope you enjoy my demonstration. At least you can make fun of me. It just didn't turn out. But I appreciate your time, people. Tell the truth, shame the devil. Bye now.